I got a confession. I'm the worst car owner in the world. I've neglected it for years, and it's finally come to a head. It's fallen apart, and I don't know what to do. There was this one time, I was going down the highway. I was probably going about 85, 90, maybe 120 miles an hour. And my weather stripping came off. If you could see, there's no weather stripping at all. It just flung off. I'm lucky I didn't hurt anybody when I did that. I had to run out on the highway, I-4. If you're from Orlando, you know how busy that highway is. It's like Daytona 500. You're going to Daytona, but you're practicing while going on I-4. And I ran out in the middle of traffic and almost died. I started a vinyl rack business, and that happens. There are many paint discrepancies in this car. Here's one. 2. That's terrible. 3. Let's not mention the bumper. It's faded. It's terrible. I let my brakes go for 3 whopping years. 3 years. I didn't change my brakes. I'm lucky I didn't hit an innocent bystander. I'm terrible. Everyone knows you're supposed to change your oil every 3,000 miles. I said, it's okay. I can change it every 15,000 miles. No worries. It's all good. I know what you're thinking. How could someone that's a car person, driver, let their car get this bad? I didn't care. As long as it got me from point A to B, that's all that mattered. But it didn't matter to me. I was terrible. I let her go. Look at this. There's no handle there. My wing. It squeaks when I drive down the road. That's when I realized one day I need to make a change. I decided that I was going to do all the things I needed to do to make my car better. I'm going to make the changes and continue to strive forward to make her the very best Fiesta ST in the world. I know it's going to cost me a lot to catch up to some of my friends who have amazing vehicles and thriving YouTube channels. And with all my charisma, I let it go. I let the ball drop. And I won't let that happen again. I will be the biggest driver and car guy on YouTube. Mark my words. So if you're a car owner and you're watching this, do not be like me. Don't do what I did. I will be better. And if you want to see me change, subscribe. Follow me and watch the journey begin.